and welcome to the neighborhood, the very first stop on the Backyard Skate Tour. I'm Sunny Day. Joining me today is 3-time Backyard Skate Tour champ and 2-time Skater Dude Monthly Skater Dude of the Year, Eric Stream.
Thanks, Sunny. I'm stoked to be here. Can't wait to see these kids rip it up. Woohoo!
Tell us, Eric, what should rookie skaters look for here at the neighborhood?
Well, you really can't go wrong wherever you skate around here. Psst, except for that skate park. Lame. Let's see. Well, for starters, newbies should try out the rookie challenges first. Look for the kids with the yellow beacons above their heads. Not only will they teach you some of the basics of skating on the tour, but they'll also stamp your tour book if you help them out. When you have 3 rookie stamps, you're qualified to do the pro challenges. They've got the orange beacons. If you can find and complete the tour officials challenge, she'll let you go on to the next level. Finally, if you've done 6 challenges in a level, then you're good enough to take on the boss kid, Ricky Johnson. Complete Ricky's challenge, and he can skate for your team. Boss challenges are pretty tough, though, so good luck, dudes!
Good advice, Eric. All right, let's get skating. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the neighborhood, the very...
Dude, I overslept this morning. I'm supposed to have finished my paper route by now. Would you skate my route and do an ollie and a kickflip on the green circle in front of each house?
Sick!
You rock!
There he goes.
You can do it, dude! Sweet!
He's down to 1.
You totally rock my world, dude. I hardly work with your heavy rocking presence.
Hello there. If you think I look familiar, maybe you've met my twin sister, Sydney. I've got a challenging task for you. See if you can do a quick up-down or down-up to manual on the sidewalk, all the way across this hopscotch course.
All right!
Wow, you did it! Hi there. If you think I look familiar, maybe you've met my twin sister, Ashley. Anyway, here's something I do every day to practice grinding. Skate over to the first bike, do an ollie, and quickly press grind.
I think I can do that.
Excellent!
Thought I wouldn't.
Nicely done! He beat the challenge!
Nice one, dude!
The fry cooks at Mark's Burger Joint went skating on their break, but lost their lucky spatulas busting sick air tricks. Now they can't make any more burgers. Can you skate up the quarter pipes and ollie off them to get enough air to grab their spatulas? Look real close. You're the best!
He's about to attempt the challenge. He's only got 1 to go.
Almost there!
I thought it was gonna be hard, but it totally wasn't.
I am so proud of you. Here's your stamp. See you at the boardwalk. You have unlocked 1 pro stamp.
Some dumb kids took our latest shoe designs and ran them up a flagpole. Whatever. Let's go, sweet.
He's attempting the big challenge.
Who's the man?
Thanks. I guess.
Help! Help! My dog ran off with a box of doggy treats. Think you could catch up with it?
Sick!
Thanks!
There he goes.
You can do it, dude!
He's almost got him all.
Yes!
Wow, thanks! Now you're part of the Weasel Barn family. For all...
You've done pretty good so far. But if you really want to rip it up on the tour, you need to know how to do signature tricks.
Okay.
Cool.
There he goes.
Go for the glory, dude!
All right!
Wow.
Here we are, folks, live from the sidewalk. I'm Sunny Day, along with the chairman of the board, Eric Stream.
Chairman of the board. Sweet.
What can we expect to see here today, Eric?
The boardwalk. The only way you can make it more perfect for skating is if you paved over the whole ocean. Which, though it may sound like a good idea, could never happen because, like, where would my fish sticks come from? I gotta have my fish sticks.
Right. Good point.
Anyway, just like in Neighborhood, you gotta get 3 rookie stamps in your tour book before you can do any pro challenges, and 6 altogether to take on the boss. When you do the tour officials challenge, she'll give you a stamp to get to the next level. She's one of the pro challenges, so be on the lookout for her. She's got an orange beacon. While you're doing all that, don't forget to take in all the sights. Shark Belly Shores is a fun little distraction, as long as you can get in. Maybe one of the challenge kids can hook you up.
Right. Well, let's head to the action.
Dude, it's my first day working at Shark Belly Shores, and I've like totally lost my keys for the gate when I was on my break. See those grind sparklies? They give you a hint of what path to follow to the keys. If you find them and bring them back to me before my break.
I think I can do that.
Awesome! He's attempting the big challenge. We have the balance system. Status has been boosted.
Oh, sister, that sounds like a fight of it.
He's only got 1 to go.
Thought I wouldn't.
You did it! Dude, I owe you big time.
Shark Belly Shores is open for business.
Hey, kid. A pelican took my bag of marshmallows, and I need them for bait to start fishing. I'm not sure where the pelican is, but maybe if you follow that trail of marshmallows, you can find it and get my bait back.
Bring it.
All right! Now go get those marshmallows!
He's about to attempt the challenge.
Thought it was going to be hard, but it totally wasn't.
Hey! You got my marshmallows back! Thanks! I hope you didn't eat any. These are special fish marshmallows, you know. Not fit for human consumption. Sweet combo!
I was just about to go on the Kooky Kraken, but the wind blew my ride tickets all over the amusement park. Can you find them before the next ride starts?
You just take your time. I'm in no hurry. Let's go.
Hooray! Kraken, here I come!
50-50!
He's almost got him all.
Who's the man?
I lost my hat, my glasses, and my official tour stamp when I was riding the roller coaster. One of those things might even be on top of that shark's nose. Follow the grind sparklies. They will...
Sick.
Woo! Thank you so much.
He's about to attempt the challenge.
50-50!
He's only got 1 to go.
You can totally do this, dude!
Yes.
I can't believe you found all my stuff. You're the greatest. Here, let me stamp your book. I'll see what the next stop...
Dude, I work for Cranium Case Helmets, and I've seen a lot of skater dudes and dudettes in my time. But I've never seen anybody sketch the octo go around 2 times. It's pretty tough. You gotta...
Okay.
All right, superstar. Let's see what you got.
He's attempting the big challenge.
All right.
Kid, you must have a future in this biz.
Psst. Hey, I'm scared to ride the Kraken. Will you ride on it with me? I think I can do that. Thanks.
He's about to attempt the challenge.
can do it, dude.
Thought I wouldn't. That was awesome. We gotta do that again sometime. Except not until the ground stops moving. You live in luck. One pro stand, one skill point.
Hey there. I'm pretty fast on this here skateboard. Let's see how fast you are. You gotta hold down the ollie button to speed up. Then use your...
Bring it.
Does that mean no?
He's attempting the big challenge. Almost got him all.
You almost got it, dude.
I thought skateboarding is not a crime.
Goodbye.
Welcome to the medievalest place in the tri-state area, merry old England land. I'm Sunny Day, along with Sir Scabby Knees Eric Street.
'Tis an honor, milady.
What can you tell us about skating the castle at merry old England land, Eric?
Yon castle 'tis fraught with peril, milady. And it's totally old, too. So watch out for falling bricks. Nah, just kidding. I think they built this place after they tore down the wall. Anyway, you kids know the drill. Get out there and do those challenges. You're only one level away from the ultimate skate park. If that doesn't motivate you, maybe you need a new hobby, like needlepoint or something. And get this, only the truly worthy can earn the right to battle the mythical monster that lurks in the bowels of the castle. How's that for a fairy tale ending? In short, what aren't you waiting for? Skate it, you wigs off, young squires and maidens.
Good advice, Eric. Let's see how they do.
He isn't what you'd call school smart, but he knows a lot about you.
See that joust spot over there? No one's ever defeated him in battle. All you have to do is grind on that rail as he charges, then ollie onto the lens and grind it before he knocks you off.
I guess so.
Goody! Go get that joust spot, brave skater!
50-50! Pretty nice. I think I did good.
You did it! You did it! Skaters won!
Hey there, buddy. Good to see you again. Look here, I can't get this drawbridge open for the life of me, on account of all the gears is missing. Mind skating around the castle and rounding up all the gears you come across? I'll be much obliged.
Sure. What?
Okay then, go get them gears.
He's attempting the big challenge.
That was my best. Ice cream!
Yeehaw! Thanks, buddy. Now stand back while I fix that old bridge like a monster truck sitting again.
Hello there, friend. Legend has it that King Ollie I set a high score record that has never been broken. Think you can beat it? You'll only have a limited time to break the record. Try to pull off big trick combos with lots of unique tricks, and you might...
Are you talking to me?
Oh boy, I could be witnessing history in the making.
Dude,
making it this far. Here is my last challenge for you. On that enormous anvil there is embedded the actual skateboard of King Ollie the First, the legendary Excalibur. Legend has it that only one truly worthy skater can pull it from the anvil and defeat the monster who lives under this castle. How do you prove your worth? By performing all the generic lip tricks, of course. Remember, right as you reach the edge of the ramp, do the button.
Are you sure this won't hurt?
Good luck! I know you will prove your worth.
Hey, I'm a scout for Mr. Goodboard Skateboards. If you want to rep us, you must run the Armored Gauntlet of Doom. You have to do a manual all the way down this red carpet, past all the suits of armor, around the octagonal table, and all the way back. Use your up and down.
What happens now?
Happy, happy, happy!
He's only got one to go.
Almost done, dude!
Right on. Okay, you got a new set of decks. You have unlocked one pro stand, one skill.
Hey, this place needs some publicity. Bad. Maybe a death-defying stunt will get some attention. Start by grinding across the roof of the castle, then hit that roll-in at full speed. You'll pick up a speed boost power-up and launch off the drawbridge like a rocket. While you're in the air, do the grab trick that shows up on...
I guess so.
Okay, Daredevil. Hope you've got health insurance.
I think I did good.
Hooray! I mean, oh goody. Merry old Engleman appreciates all the publicity. And now for your reward. Free t-shirts. You have unlocked one pro stand, one skill point.
You must be some skater to have won the Excalibur and the other two boss challenges. But you're gonna have to use all your skills and all your courage to defeat the mythical beast that lurks beneath this castle, the Joustosaurus. To defeat the Joustosaurus, you must go down the secret tunnel in the middle of the octagonal table and into its lair. Once you're down there, you have to collect the 4 gems that appear above the monster's head whenever it pops out of a door. Can you do it? Can you defeat the Joustosaurus?
Sure! What?
Good luck, brave skater. I know you can do it.
Almost got him all. What? Ice cream!
Well, our favorite neighborhood skate team has done it. They've taken on countless challenges, traveled from the neighborhood to the boardwalk to the castle, beat 3 tough boss challenges, and persevered to win the Backyard Skate Tour and the grand prize, the Ultimate Skate Park Skate Station Alpha. I'm Sunny Day, along with the governor of Grip Tape, Eric Stream.
Hey! That's me! Cool!
So, Eric, you were there to witness the ribbon-cutting ceremony a few minutes ago. Can you describe that for the viewers?
It was awe-inspiring, dude! You should have seen the looks on the winning team's faces! They knew they'd done something special. Sorry you missed that, kids!
What do you think of the park itself, Eric? Does it live up to its billing of the ultimate skate park?
I mean, it's a little bit cheesy and all, but when you consider all the sick grinds, killer lines, and sweet rampage, dude, I say cheesy? That's me the crackers, you know? Oh, and to top it all off, Ahmed Khan's band, the Knights of Rockville, are going to do a grand opening concert. But I'm told that they're looking for someone to do a big-time stunt to kick off the show. Good luck with that.
All right, let's see some skating action.
That is one big-headed dude.
Oh, man! I told the roadies totally set up my drum kit over there, but they thought I said totally spread my drum kit all over who knows where. Now, all the pieces are like totally all over the place. Can you help me? The concert's supposed to start any minute now.
Are you talking to me?
Let's rock out!
He's about to attempt the challenge.
You got it! Whoa! Dude, why stop now?
He's down to
Merry Christmas!
Oh, thank you, dude. Now, how do I put this thing together?
He came out on top.
Whoa, whoa! Look at me! I'm on the moon, man! Okay, check it out. I hid a bunch of alien eggs all over the park. Bet you can't find them all before time runs out. Just call me the alien Easter Bunny.
Are you sure this won't hurt?
Thanks, dude. There he goes.
Trust your feelings, dude. Not bad for a beginner. You'll be okay. Probably.
He's down to one.
Yeah, nice going, dude. The alien Easter Bunny's no match for you. Whoa.
Hello there, friend. Isn't this the most super skate park you've ever seen? Golly, I think so too. In fact, I thought it was so awesome that I was inspired to.
What happens now?
Well, good luck to ya.
He's about to attempt the challenge.
Crank up the juice, kid.
Happy! Good for you, friend. I was hoping someone would break that record.
He did it.
I knew you'd do it.
Thanks for winning the town this terrific skate park. You deserve to show off. Can you do all the different tricks that appear?
I guess so.
Terrific! Let's see what you can do.
He's attempting the big challenge.
Nice. That's the stuff. Dude, kickflip. All right. Fantabulous. You're totally ripping it up. Hater, bader. Nice. Is that all you got? Sweet. Benihana. Sweet. Excellent. I think I did good.
Fantastic! You've come a long way.
Sorry, dude. You need 5 stamps from this level before you can complete your training. Dude, do the rookie challenges. Hey there. I was supposed to hand out backstage passes to the band's fan club members, but I, kinda lost them when I was skating around. Think you could take a look around and, I don't know, round them up for me? That would be terrific.
Sure. Well,
Sweet. I know you can do it.
He's about to attempt the challenge.
so much. The fans will be thrilled to hang out.
Whoa, I'm old school, Andy. I'm like a vision from the past, here to drop some knowledge on the skaters of the present. Ooh, scary. Okay, this is it. The final challenge to kick off the concert. First, do this sick trick line in one combo. Then, while you're still juiced up, bomb down the long jump and do a duck and cover. If you do it all within the time limit, the band...
Are you talking to me?
You're all clear, kid.
There he goes.
Go for the glory, dude! Hey, not too shabby!
1, 2, 3, 4! Woo!